Hey guys, welcome to the 47th episode of Success Stories 100. Motivate yourself by watching one success story every day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And today we are going to talk about the success story of Ferrari. Enzo Ferrari was the founder of Ferrari cars. He was born in 1898 and since childhood his dreams has always been to become a racing driver. He joined the army during World War I and he became sick due to the Italian flu pandemic. He lost his father and brother. His life was out of his hands. He lost everything and started searching for a job. He searched for jobs in the car industry and ended up in a car manufacturing company as a test driver. Later, he became a race car driver. He was living his dream, driving racing cars, and also won a few races. Alfa Romeo was the company he was racing for. By 1932, he decided to stop racing and to focus on the company's development. He formed a separate race team for the company, trained them, and the team became really successful. This team was partnered by Alfa Romeo only for a few years. Due to some financial problems, they were not able to support them. So for a few years, this team was supported by another company and the team won a few races. Then by 1937, Ferrari returned to Alfa Romeo and became the racing director. But the relationship did not last long. Ferrari left the company and started his own company. Ferrari's company supplied parts to other racing teams. He also wanted to design and manufacture cars, so he started doing it. During Second World War, his factory was bombed and was completely destroyed. But he did not lose hope. He started his company again and started manufacturing cars that had his name. He also had his own racing team, and this team competed against Alfa Romeo's team and won a few times. Due to those victories, his racing cars got publicity. He attended many events that gave his car a huge public recognition. But the racing cars he loved also gave him a lot of problems. In one race, it blew a tire and crashed into the crowd, killing the driver and 10 other people. Due to these reasons, he was often restricted from manufacturing cars and competing in the race. But Ferrari was a person who never loses hope. He was such a strong and hard person. He faced all the opposition's criticisms, came back and manufactured cars and gave 9 victories in just 5 years. Ferrari faced tremendous success and the company grew huge. Around 1960s, due to the financial difficulties, Ferrari sold 50% of his company to Fiat while he took complete control over racing activities. He started introducing models and the cost was increasing model after model. By 1988, this great man died and things took a turn. His son sold 40% stake to Fiat, where Fiat owned 90% of the company and he owned 10%. They started losing races and their cars were not good compared to their competitors. After nearly 20 years, they won a race and got their fire back. By 2016, Fiat decided to break the deal with Ferrari and it became a public company. Ferrari's cost, its quality, and Ferrari itself is nothing but a dream of one single person. Enzo Ferrari, the man behind these cars, was so determined and kept on trying. And if this is the first time you're hearing the story of Ferrari, make sure you share this video. Thank you.